Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel AG Imrani. Let's start our first video. English sentences with Urdu translation. Look at the board. Look at the board. बोर्ड की तरफ देखें. Stand up. Stand up. खड़े हो जाओ. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. अपने हाथ ऊपर करो. Have you been ill? Have you been ill? क्या आप बीमार हैं? Put your hands down. Put your hands down. अपने हाथ नीचे करो. Don't disturb others. Don't disturb others. दूसरों को तंग मत करो. Say it again, please. Say it again, please. मेहरबानी करके दोबारा कहें. We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time. हमारे पास काफ़ी वक्त है. Close your books. Close your books. अपनी किताबें बंद करो. That's all for today. That is all for today. आज के लिए यही है. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. कल मुलाकात होगी. What was the matter? What was the matter? क्या मसला था? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. मदद करने के लिए शुक्रिया. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. अपने जूते उतारो. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. बल्ब बंद कर दो. Shut the door, please. Shut the door, please. बराए करम दरवाज़ा बंद कर दो. How stinky your socks are. How stinky your socks are. आपकी जुराबें कितनी बदबूदार हैं. What's going on? What's going on? ये क्या हो रहा है? Wash your face. Wash your face. अपना चेहरा धो लो. Make it hurry. Make it hurry. जल्दी करो इसे. Cut your nails. Cut your nails. अपने नाखून तराशो. Clean your ears. Clean your ears. अपने कान साफ करो. Clean your nose. Clean your nose. अपनी नाक साफ करो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. अपना काम करो. Come on. आगे आओ. Come on. आगे आओ. Be careful. मोहतात रहो. Be careful. मोहतात रहो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. सोच समझकर बोलो. Don't tease me. Don't trouble me. मुझे तंग मत करो. मुझे तंग मत करो. Go back. Go back. वापस जाओ. Don't forget. Do not forget. मत भूलो. Come near. Come near. पास आओ. Don't be crazy. Don't be crazy. पागल मत बनो. Where is my friend? वेयर इज माई फ्रेंड? मेरा दोस्त कहाँ है? यू मे फॉल डाउन। यू मे फॉल डाउन। आप गिर जाओगे। देन वी विल प्ले। देन वी विल प्ले। हम फिर खेलेंगे।